Hello. To Shanghai People's Enterprise Group Pump Company Limited today of secondary water judgment and solution and the daily maintenance and maintenance methods. First of all, I will talk in order to facilitate the later repair and maintenance. Butterfly valve and check valve shall be installed at the water inlet of the equipment, and butterfly valve shall be installed at the water outlet of the. Secondly, after the installation of, check whether the fastening of each component is confirm whether the opening and closing status of each valve is completed. Fourth, open the exhaust valve bolt of the water pump to exhaust the water pump. Open the exhaust valve of the water outlet pipe to exhaust the pipeline. Confirm that the changeover switch reaches the manual inches when the control cabinet is powered on. And check whether the rotation direction of the motor is consistent with the preliminary inspection of equipment installation. And now we begin to explain the control cabinet. The control cabinet shall be installed in a dry and ventilated place. Wow! The power supply is wired according to the power cable. And we must ensure that the grounding function of the judgment and solution of minor faults. A touch screen, black screen, priority to the inspection of 220-volt control power. Second, measure whether the 240 voltage of the, if the second water pump doesn't, confirm the manual and automatic knob position and check whether the water level signal and the inlet and outlet are normal. The shaft of the third water pump is heat. Check whether the check valve is damaged and whether the water stop. In case of water leakage at the exhaust port of the turbulence component, open the protective cover of the vacuum supply. There are sundries on the sealing surface of the floating and check the float for damage. Daily maintenance. Check the operating parameters. Frequency, current, pressure and other faults of the touch screen. Record whether there is an abnormal fault. Regularly check whether there are sundries and clean them out. HMMM.